Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Amazon Seller app, manage orders on mobile step by step clearly. Open the Amazon Seller app on your mobile device. If you haven't installed the app yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is opened, tap on the Sign In button. Enter your registered email address in the provided field. After entering your email, tap on Continue. Now, input your Amazon password in the password field. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, follow the prompts to enter the verification code sent to your device. Once you've entered your password or verification code, tap on Sign In. You will be redirected to the app's main dashboard. From here, locate the Orders tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the Orders tab to view your recent orders. You can scroll through to find specific orders or use the search option. To manage a specific order, tap on the order you wish to review. Here, you can check order details, track shipments, and manage customer interactions. If you need to update an order, follow the prompts for necessary actions. Be sure to familiarize yourself with all available features for an efficient experience. Explore additional options such as reports and notifications to stay informed on your sales. And by ensuring you log out when finished, especially on shared devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.